Time now to take a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Tuesday. Boy, big warm up today. We talked about that happening last night, and it did today, and it's going to last throughout the week. But boy, nice shot outside our weather window today up at Nattipock Ridge. That's our Lake Wenatchee Tower camera, and you can see there's one of my favorite places, Kaler Glen Golf Course, and still a little snowy up that way, but a beautiful scene with the clouds and the blue sky. And that pretty much summed up our weather today, a mixture of both. Lots of clear skies this morning, and then those clouds rolled in this afternoon. Expect that trend to continue as we make our way through the week. We do have a chance, about a 30 to 40% chance of rain showers almost every day through this week, with actually some moderate to heavy rain along the Cascade Crest, which will increase snowmelt, and that will mean a rise on area streams and rivers. So we're keeping our eye on that, and our temperatures just unbelievably warm. Some folks in our viewing area will top off in the 70s this week, and we'll talk more about that coming up. Look at our high today, 64 unofficially, 53 is where we should be for this time of year. Our record high just 2 years ago, 71 degrees, 39 our low this morning, 34 is our normal low for this time of year, and 23 our record set in 1965. Sunrise this morning, 7:09, and it sets tonight at 10 minutes after 7. Let's get you right into that Wednesday forecast, and our temperatures aren't going down any, that's for sure. Almost the 70-degree mark tomorrow for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 67 beautiful degrees in Quincy, 65 in Wenatchee, also Eniat and Chelan, Leavenworth 63 in Cashmere tomorrow, a beautiful 64 degrees. That's right, we're still only in the middle of March, temperatures in the mid-60s. We do have changes coming though, and we'll talk about that coming up, but not by tonight. We are going to see some really mild overnight lows tonight, mostly cloudy skies, a 40% chance of rain showers tonight. There's that atmospheric river I talked about last night, and it will provide warmth and some rain. Temperatures near 50 for overnight lows tonight. On your Wednesday, get ready for maybe a wet morning commute tomorrow, turning into mostly cloudy skies by afternoon. Might even see a peek at the sun during the day tomorrow. High temperatures still nice and mild into those mid-60s. As we get you into Thursday, not going to change a whole lot. Mostly cloudy skies. This area of low pressure will provide that stream of clouds and moisture into Washington State. Once again, about a 30% chance of rain for Thursday, and warm. Highs continuing to stay into those mid-60s. And then for our first day of spring on Friday, boy, is it ever going to feel like it. Mostly cloudy skies, maybe a little bit breezy. We're going to be in between systems on Friday, a 30% chance of rain at the end of the week. Still mild with high temperatures in the mid-60s. And this is where things change a little bit as we get into Saturday. High pressure moves in, but we also get more into a westerly flow, which will cool us off just a little bit. Low to mid-50s for high temperatures as we kick off our upcoming weekend, and that'll be about normal. For Sunday, mostly sunny, and boy, just a nice day to end our weekend. Not much wind to speak of. High temperatures Sunday into the mid-50s, and yes, that trend will continue as we get you into Monday too. High pressure still firmly parked off the Washington coast. We'll see partly cloudy skies Monday. Seasonal temperatures with readings Monday into the mid-50s. All right, time to take a look at your 7-day forecast now, and it's brought to you by Colonial Vista Senior Living in Wenatchee, where comfort, care, and community come together. Overnight tonight, 49 degrees. That is unbelievably mild. 65 tomorrow, a 30% chance of rain Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday. But look at our high temperatures staying into the mid-60s. A little breezy on Friday as well. And then as we get you into the upcoming weekend, mostly sunny both Saturday and Sunday, with highs cooling back into the low to mid-50s, and then partly cloudy for Monday with a high then of 55 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Dan Kuntz and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.